98, 99% of the buildings in America are built in much the same way they were a couple of hundred years ago. We want to bring advanced building technologies to the residential market where the builder can literally say, you have the most energy efficient building envelope in the state, in the Southeast, in the country. We're a locally made product with locally sourced raw materials that are literally shipped all over the world.
I've never seen a product like this before. I wasn't familiar with energy efficient at all. But going out and seeing the feedback from the customers that got it and hearing the stuff they say about it is one of the greatest parts of the job, and we're actually doing something good for the world.
The simplicity of it going up is incredible. 2 days, if everything goes right. I hope that many people will catch on to this. It's easy, it's efficient, it's not particularly costly. So why are we having a crew stand up there and cut down trees to build a stick frame house when this is a better deal?
There's a lot of really easy and cost-effective ways to improve your efficiency in your home. And that's the things, that the low-hanging fruits that we try to help our builders focus on. I spend my time working with developers and builders, and my main job is to help them design, build, and ultimately sell a more efficient home.
We teach people how to build in a manner that is mindful of energy and sustainability practices. They can be assured that the utility costs are going to be less, it's going to be more comfortable, it's going to be a healthier home. And so that's really appealing to the buyer. Most certifications that we teach have an entry-level point. Even if somebody doesn't have a lot of experience or training or education or background, there's always a point of entry that they can come in and get some training on to get started.
I have a 16-year background in construction as a residential carpenter. And I got into weatherization because I wanted to see more of the benefits of, sealing a home and really understanding the whole home as a whole. It actually makes me a better carpenter. It helps me, because a carpenter is a joiner. So as a joiner, and you're doing this weatherization, you're learning how to more properly join and why it's so important to be so sealed and so tight and so right.
At 50.2 Pascal.
I appreciate what this field is about. A lot of people just need to know what we really do. Once we get a little bit more of an understanding of that, it should spread.
The service we provide gives me personal gratification because I'm helping people, I'm helping customers.
Energy efficiency is important to me and the congregation because it is something that can be measured. We can look from 2012 to 2017 and see how our energy use has gone down because of certain things we have done. The congregation over time will be able to save money, also will be able to live with a clean and clear conscience that we are doing something positive when giving a choice.
They're saving money so they can put that money towards other things that they need in their daily operations.
My light bill was about $300 and something a month for lights, and my water bill was over $100. The lowest bill I've gotten since the weatherization was $88. And then the highest I got was $120 something, and my water bill's down to $60 every 2 months. And I gave my husband his man cave, and then I've been able to help people that need help. They might say, well, can you? I said, I can, so I do. I love helping people. But during the process of doing work here, the company offered a class. All you had to do was come to the classes, make at least a 70, and you guaranteed a job. My son made 100, and he's been with the company ever since, and I'm so proud of him.
It felt good to get that score and to then lead on to a job with Ezra. I've never had any experience in weatherization until I took the 6-week course, and I learned so much more. I like getting up into the attic, getting down in those crawl spaces, doing a good job, sealing up those penetrations, knowing that what I'm doing is going to be beneficial to that homeowner and that they will see those results in due time.
I really want to see the future of the energy industry grow and grow and grow, where we can impact every existing home, every existing apartment, multifamily home. There's a passion involved. You have to have a passion. You have to have something inside of you that's driving you to want to do this job, to want to do your best at this job.